Welcome back to Newcoolthings. We are going to be coloring these big guys. So let's get to the video. Paching. No, so I can't.
Girls, show me what are you doing, Gabi?
I'm just painting this.
I haven't started painting. I just made the eyes.
Oh, Lele's doing a really nice cat. What are you doing, Gabi?
I'm making a rainbow skeleton, and what I'm gonna be doing is I have all the colors of the rainbow and some purple glitter. Like Sarah, she passed me this glitter, and I'm using this brush to blend, and this is just a sponge to start.
I am making a glitter blue to add some pizzazz. Of course, it looks like a little bit, but that's because you have to do more than one layers.
Okay, good.
I am painting a pumpkin duck.
Auntie,
I am
what?
painting a pumpkin.
And then it's Tiffany doing a nice ghost, same as
I'm doing a ghost.
Colleen.
Yeah, I'm gonna do coats and coats and coats. But right now it's looking nice and
Everything is from the dollar store.
The
And
dollar store.
the kids are having a good time. So the boys finish, let's say, in about 5 minutes. Look at the art. That's at the boys. And now they're all playing there. Now these are the girls. And look at the
I
difference.
always say
Look at the
word,
difference.
like blending.
These are
and
the
then the
art.
second time I said blending. And
They're
then
talking
Sarah's like,
about
"Gabby,
blending
that's not how you
and
say it."
look.
I know, I just missaid it. Even though I said it the right time.
Bug.
So we're gonna make a bat with Colin and Stetson and Asher.
Okay.
And Stetson is just shooting arrows.
Okay.
Doing what he wanted to do. So
don't blame him.
Look at so here are the stars, and you're supposed to glue them.
Yeah.
You're supposed to get glue.
And here's the bat, and then here's the bat.
Okay, let's see the final product, okay?
Okay.
Kind of made this like marble cat that has like red, orange, and yellow like in a pattern. And then I just colored the pumpkin normal.
I think it's beautiful. What did you do, Gabi?
What I did is this.
Ah.
Just kidding. I did this. I made a blending rainbow. I put some shimmer and glimmer on it. And we made some slime too. Got this. Layla's playing with her. She's basically opening it right now. And this is my result. I think I like the back too for some reason. I don't know why.
I went to the girl one.
All of the different designs everybody did.
Remember to like and subscribe and click on the post notification bell to be the first one to see our new videos. And remember, try new